Okay, so thinking about starting a business in 2025.
Mm.
Smart move, I'd say.
Yeah.
Now, we've been digging into this report.
Yeah.
It's got like the top 20 small business ideas for,
For beginners.
yeah, for beginners. So if you're looking for inspo,
Yep.
this is the place to be.
Absolutely.
And honestly, I got to say,
Yeah.
there's something in here for everyone.
Yeah, I was going to say, it's a really diverse list.
Super diverse.
I mean, you've got everything from,
yeah.
like techie stuff
Oh.
to like, taking care of pets.
Yeah, like real world stuff.
Yeah.
So, okay,
Yeah.
instead of like just going one by one down the list, which I think would get,
Boring.
boring.
Yeah.
We're going to like group things thematically.
Okay. You have it.
So first up,
Yeah.
riding the digital wave.
Ooh.
Okay, so
Yeah.
online tutoring and coaching,
Huge.
huge.
Yeah. And it makes sense. Right.
Yeah, total sense.
People want to learn stuff,
Uh-huh.
but they want to learn it on their own time.
Yeah.
Online.
And their PJs.
Exactly. So, everything from school stuff
Mm.
to like fitness.
Oh, yeah.
To like, I don't know, how to be more confident or,
Yeah, self-help.
personal development stuff.
It's interesting though, right?
What is that?
It's like this shift
Yeah.
from like being in a classroom
Yeah.
to like sitting on your couch.
In your pajamas.
Yes.
Exactly.
It's all about flexibility
Mm-hmm.
for both sides.
Yeah.
The person teaching and the person learning.
Yeah. And you can like connect with people.
Globally.
Globally. You could be teaching someone in like
I don't know, Australia.
from your living room.
It's wild.
It is wild.
It is wild. So speaking of online.
Yep.
Social media management.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like every business needs this.
They do.
Right.
I mean, it's not
Yeah.
just posting a picture of your cat anymore.
Oh, no.
Right.
Although I do like those.
They are good. They're good.
Yeah.
But it's about like crafting your story
Right.
online.
Oh, yeah, your brand.
Your brand, yeah.
And like getting people to actually like
engage with you.
engage, yeah,
And then ultimately,
by your stuff.
yeah, spend money.
So, okay,
Yeah.
if someone is listening and they're like,
Uh-huh.
I want to do this,
Yeah.
what do they need?
Skills.
Yeah, what skills?
Okay. So first of all,
Yeah,
you got to be comfortable on all the platforms.
that's a lot these days.
It's a lot. And they're always changing.
Always changing.
You also have to understand content.
Oh, yeah, like making the stuff.
Making the stuff, knowing when to post it,
Okay.
and then like analyzing the data.
Data's important.
Oh, super important.
Yeah.
So if what you're doing is actually working.
You got to know the numbers.
Numbers.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
And, honestly,
Yeah.
you got to be a good communicator.
Oh, yeah.
You're like the voice of the brand
Yeah.
online.
Okay, makes sense.
Yeah.
So not just managing social media for others,
Oh,
but like creating content
yes,
is a business itself.
it is.
This report highlights that
Huge.
blogging, vlogging,
Podcasting.
podcasting. We should know, right?
We should know.
And the best part,
What is that?
you can make money
Oh, yes.
doing it.
So many ways to monetize.
So many ways.
Affiliate marketing.
Sponsorships.
You could even sell your own, like.
Oh, yeah, digital products.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's the secret sauce?
Ooh, secret sauce.
Yeah.
Consistency.
Okay.
So like showing up regularly,
Got it.
knowing your audience.
So like, who are you talking to?
Exactly.
Okay.
And then like delivering the goods.
High quality stuff.
Yeah. You got to give them a reason to come back for more.
That makes total sense.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Okay.
We're getting a little techie
All
here.
right, bring it on.
So the report says
Uh-huh.
starting a digital marketing agency.
Oh, good one.
Good one, right?
Yeah, and it makes sense
Because
because businesses
Yeah.
need help
they do.
with all this online stuff.
Yeah, there's a lot.
It's overwhelming.
It's like a whole other language.
It is.
So SEO.
Okay.
So-
What's that?
SEO is search engine optimization. Basically, you want your website
Yeah.
to show up at the top of the list.
When people are Googling stuff.
Yes. Like if you're selling, I don't know,
Hmm.
handmade candles,
Yeah.
you want your website to be the first one people see.
When they search for Campbell's.
Exactly.
Okay, that makes sense.
It's complicated,
That's
but
important.
oh, super important. And then like email marketing,
Oh, yeah.
paid advertising.
That's where it gets expensive.
Yeah.
Okay, so digital products, this report highlights this.
Oh, yeah.
Ebooks, courses.
Templates.
Ooh, template.
People love templates.
It's all about passive income, baby.
the dream.
The dream.
So imagine like
Yeah.
you create this awesome guide to photography
Okay.
or like a course on time management
Uh-huh.
and then people buy it
Yeah.
Well, you sleep.
Okay, I'm listening.
Right. Yeah.
But it can't be all sunshine and rizzes.
It's
not.
not.
What's the catch?
Okay, so you got to really know your audience.
Okay, that seems to be a theme.
It is a theme.
Yeah.
You got to know who you're talking to.
Yeah.
You got to market it well.
It's like, get the word out.
Get the word out. Yeah.
And you got to make sure it's actually good.
Like high quality.
Yeah. Otherwise, people are going to ask for their money back.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, so last one for this, like digital category.
Okay.
Mobile app development.
Ooh.
Now this one's for the like
Pecky people.
techie people. Yeah.
You got to know what you're doing.
You got to know how to code and all that stuff.
Yeah, but if you can find a problem
Oh, yeah.
that an app can solve,
Like a real problem.
a real problem,
Okay.
the rewards can be huge.
Huge, yeah.
I mean, think about it.
Yeah.
We use apps for everything.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
Ordering food,
Booking flights,
checking the weather,
managing money,
everything.
everything. And they're always
New problem
new problems to solve.
that need an app. It's
Exactly.
a really exciting space.
Okay, so we've ridden that digital wave.
We wrote it.
Let's dive into the service sector.
Ooh, okay.
So this is all about like
Meeting needs
meeting needs, yes.
of people and businesses.
Okay, so this report highlights virtual assistants.
Huge.
Huge, right?
Makes sense.
Total sense.
Because everybody's so busy.
Busy.
Entrepreneurs, businesses.
Yeah, they're juggling all the things.
And a virtual assistant can, like, take stuff off their plate.
Take all the annoying stuff.
Yeah. Like scheduling.
Oh, I hate scheduling.
Me too. And then, like, managing emails.
Oh, emails are the worst.
The worst. Social media, all that stuff.
You can do it all
From home.
in your pajamas.
In your pajamas, yes.
So, like, what kind of person
Yeah.
is good at this?
Ooh, good question.
Yeah.
Someone who's organized,
Okay.
good at multitasking.
Like a superhero of organization.
Yes. And, someone who likes to work independent.
Oh, yeah, self-motivated.
Self-motivated, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So health and wellness coaching.
Booming.
Blooming.
Yeah, people are really prioritizing.
Their health.
Yeah.
They want to feel good.
They want to live longer.
They want to live longer. Yeah.
So they're looking for guidance on everything.
Like nutrition,
Yeah.
fitness, stress management.
Oh, that's a big one.
Huge.
Even like,
Mindfulness.
yeah, like meditation and stuff.
Yeah, all that good stuff.
It's fascinating though, right?
What is that?
It's almost like a shift
Yeah.
from like going to the doctor when you're sick
Yeah.
to like trying to stay healthy.
It's preventative.
Preventative, yeah.
It's a whole different mindset.
It is. It is.
So if you're like an expert in
Yeah.
any of this stuff,
Yeah.
like you know your stuff.
you know your stuff.
Totally build a business.
Yeah, and like really help people.
And help people. Yeah.
Speaking of helping,
Who are we helping now?
our furry friends,
The pets.
pet services,
A booming industry.
booming
Yeah, people are spending so much money
on their pets.
on their pets. It's like they're part of the family.
They're part of the family.
So grooming.
Walking, even pet sitting.
Oh, yeah. For when you go on vacation.
It's like daycare for dogs.
It is. Doggy daycare.
Okay, I gotta ask.
Yeah.
Is it really recession proof?
Good question.
Like everyone says it is.
They do say that. I mean, nothing's totally recession proof.
Right.
But people do tend to prioritize
Their pets.
their pets, even when they're cutting back on other things.
Interesting.
So, yeah, I'd say it's pretty resilient.
Okay, good to know.
Yeah.
Now the population is aging.
It is.
And so
Yeah.
elderly care.
Oh, yeah, that's a growing need. Growing need, for sure.
Yeah, this is all about like providing care for seniors
Okay.
who want to stay in their homes,
Yeah.
live independently as long as possible.
But they might need a little help.
A little help. Yeah.
So, like companionship,
Companionship. Yeah.
maybe some help around the house.
Lighthouse work, maybe some cooking.
Yeah, stuff like that.
Yeah. It's a really rewarding field.
I bet.
Yeah. If you like helping people,
If you've got the patience
patience,
and the compassion.
it's a good one.
Okay, so keeping things clean,
All right, let's clean.
mobile car wash and detailing.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
This report highlights it
And I get it.
because it's so convenient.
Super
I
convenient.
don't have to,
Go anywhere.
go anywhere. Yeah, they come to you.
They come to you.
And it's
Eco-friendly,
eco-friendly.
which is a big plus these days.
Huge plus.
Yeah, people want to feel good about the businesses they support.
Right, they want to know that.
The products they're using are like
Good for the planet.
good for the planet. Yeah.
Exactly.
So
Okay,
last one in the service sector,
hit me.
event planning.
Ooh, fun one.
Fun one.
Yeah, if you're like organized
Yeah, you gotta be organized.
and creative,
Okay.
and you don't mind a little stress.
Oh, yeah, there's probably a lot of stress.
Probably a fair amount.
Yeah. But you get to make people's dreams come true.
You do. I mean, think about it.
Yeah.
Weddings,
Oh, yeah.
corporate events,
Fancy parties.
fancy parties. You're like the mastermind behind it all.
You're like the wizard.
The wizard, yes.
Mm.
Making sure everything runs smoothly.
Sounds stressful but fun.
Stressful but fun, yeah.
Okay, so we've explored digital.
We've-
We've explored services.
We did.
Now let's get into products.
Products, okay.
Products with passion.
Ooh, I like that.
Right, so this is where
Yeah.
you're actually making stuff.
Creating stuff, yeah.
Creating stuff, yeah.
Okay.
So first up,
Drop shipping.
drop shipping, yes.
This is like,
It's hot right now.
it's hot right now. Everyone's talking about it.
Everyone's talking about it.
Especially like
Yeah.
if you don't have a lot of money to start.
Low startup
Yeah,
costs.
low startup costs.
Yeah, it's really appealing.
So break it down for me.
Okay, so basically you sell stuff online,
Okay.
but you don't have to
Yeah.
store it
Okay.
or ship it.
Oh, that's nice.
It is nice. You partner with a supplier who does all that stuff.
So they have the warehouse.
They have the warehouse.
They ship it.
You ship it,
You just like
bunker it,
market it.
and sell it.
Sounds pretty easy.
It does sound easy.
But there's got to be a downside.
There are downsides.
Okay. What are they?
So because it's so easy to get started,
Yeah.
there's a lot of competition.
Okay.
So you got to find a way to stand out.
Right.
You might also have lower profit margins.
Oh, okay. Less
Yeah.
money.
Potentially, yeah.
But you're not spending as much to get started.
True. Sure.
So it's like a trade-off.
it is a trade-off.
So it's a good starting
That's
point.
a starting point, yeah.
But you got to be smart about it.
You got to be smart about it.
Okay, so next up,
Hit me.
eco-friendly products.
Oh, this is a good one.
This is huge
It is huge, and it's only getting bigger.
because people care about the planet.
They do. They want to reduce their impact.
They want to buy stuff that
Yeah,
doesn't hurt the planet.
exactly.
So what kind of things are we talking about?
So reusable bags,
Oh yeah,
biodegradable packaging.
instead of like
Yeah.
styrofoam.
Yeah, styrofoam's the worst.
It is the worst.
Sustainable clothing.
Oh yeah, clothes made from like
Sex
bamboo.
Dave.
Yeah, or like recycled materials.
Exactly.
It's cool though, right?
What it is.
It's like businesses are actually like
Yeah.
doing good for the planet
They are.
while making money.
And making money.
It's like a win-win.
It is a win-win.
Okay, so next up,
Okay.
personalized gifts and custom products.
Oh, yeah.
People love this stuff.
They do. Everybody wants to feel special.
They do.
They want unique stuff.
So like what kind of things?
Like mugs with people's faces on them.
Oh yeah.
T-shirts with inside jokes.
Okay.
Engraved jewelry.
Ooh, fancy.
Fancy. Anything you can personalize.
So if you're like a creative person,
Yeah.
this is a good niche.
This is a good niche, yeah.
Okay, subscription boxes.
Oh, subscription box.
The gift that keeps on giving.
It is.
So like what kind of things?
Oh, all sorts of things.
Give me some examples.
Okay, so beauty products,
Okay.
fitness gear,
Uh-huh.
gourmet food,
Ooh, fancy snacks.
fancy snacks, yeah. Even book subscriptions.
So you get like a new book every month.
Every month, yeah.
It's all about like
What is it about?
convenience discovered.
Trying new things
Yep, yeah.
and surprise.
Because you don't know what you're going to get.
Exactly.
I love that.
Me too.
Okay, so last one in this product category,
Right.
handmade crafts
Yes.
and artisanal goods
This is for the makers.
for the makers.
the people who like to get their hands dirty.
Yeah, and create something
Give that
beautiful.
thing.
So you can sell this stuff like
Online,
online,
on Etsy,
Etsy, yeah.
or at
Raft fairs
craft fairs, yeah. Farmers market.
or local market.
Local markets, yeah.
It's a good way to like
yeah.
connect with your community.
Connect with your community, yeah.
Support small business.
Support small businesses, yeah.
It's a good thing.
It is a good thing.
Okay, so we've gone digital.
Uh-huh.
We've done
No,
services.
we did.
We've made products.
We made them.
Now let's look to the future.
The future.
So these are
Yeah.
like emerging trends.
Ooh, crystal ball time.
Crystal ball time.
All right, let's see what the future holds.
First up,
Yeah.
renewable energy.
Huge.
Yeah,
Huge. It's
yeah.
only going to get bigger
Because
because climate change is real.
it is real.
And people are like,
Yeah.
we got to do something.
We got to do something. Yeah.
So what can you do?
What can I do?
Well, you could install solar panels.
Okay.
You could do energy audits for homes and businesses.
So like help people save energy.
Exactly.
That's
You
a-
could even sell eco-friendly products.
That help people save energy.
Exactly.
Like LED light bulbs and stuff.
LED light bulbs. Yeah. Smart thermostats.
Smart thermostats. Okay.
There's so much out there.
is cool though, right?
What is that?
It's like you can actually like
Yeah.
make money
Uh-huh.
and save the planet at the same time.
It's a win-win.
It is a win-win.
For sure.
Okay, last one.
Hit me.
Food trucks
Oh, yeah.
and pop-up restaurants.
Still going strong.
Still going strong.
Yeah, people love them.
Why?
Well, they're, like, more affordable.
Than opening a whole restaurant.
Yeah, a whole restaurant is a big investment.
Huge investment.
Food trucks and pop-ups are a little easier to get started.
Lower barrier to entry.
Yeah, that's the phrase.
So it's like a good way to
yeah.
test out your ideas.
Test out your ideas, yeah.
See if people like your food.
Exactly.
And you could be, like, mobile.
Mobile, yeah. You can go where the people are.
Oh, that's smart.
It is smart.
Okay, wow.
We covered a lot.
We covered a lot. So
It's
digital
the
products.
Future trends.
It's a lot.
It is a lot, but it's exciting.
It is exciting. So
Yeah.
what are you going to do?
Yeah, what are you going to do?
What spoke to you?
What are you passionate about?
What are you good at?
Yeah, what are your skills?
Because you can turn those things
Into a business.
into a business.
Yeah, solve a problem.
Fill a need.
Make the world a better place.
And make some money.
And make some money. Yeah.
That's a good deal.
It's a good deal.
So get out there
Get out there.
and brainstorm.
Brainstorm.
Happy entrepreneuring.
Happy entrepreneuring.